Have you tried to do everything possible to change this particular situation in your life, but it is not moving at all? Then maybe it's a matter of being something instead of doing. You have been doing everything in your capacity, but nothing is changing. The situation is sticking, whether it is something around you, outside of you, related to any situation, any person in particular, or it is something within that is unpleasant, that is not making sense, that is uneasy, not fun, and yet it is not moving, then it is a matter of being something that you're not being. So what is it that can really get it going, get it moving? Asking question. Asking question is a great tool to open up the possibility that your mind cannot fathom, that your mind cannot compute for you. So as we have earlier also spoken about this, that mind can give you solution with everything, the data that it has collected, and maybe at the most you will go to Google and ChatGPT and what AI, etc. But the consciousness, awareness, and the power of the universe is much greater, goes far beyond what any human mind can ever fathom. So, you need to ask, truth, what can I be here? And genuinely be that eager, conscious energy, that willingness to literally be anything that you're required here to be in order to get this situation change moving. So ask, truth, what can I be here that will change this situation completely with total ease? Truth, what can I be here? What else can I be here? What can I be here? When you are willing to be, then it is not that you will get a direct answer. Your consciousness, your awareness will shift you to a different awareness and consciousness. With this question, you're actually tapping into your awareness. What else can I be aware of that my mind cannot fathom right